In this video, we will analyze the list of error codes in Toshiba air conditioners, focusing specifically on those issues related to temperature sensors. Let's start by mentioning that most error codes due to temperature sensors are caused by presumed open circuits or short circuits in the sensor. We will classify these errors according to the sensor's position to facilitate understanding and potential solutions. Error code F01. Error in the liquid line temperature sensor of the indoor unit, responsible for measuring the temperature of the refrigerant coming from the thin pipe of the external connection to the indoor unit. Error code F02. Error in the vapor line temperature sensor of the indoor unit, which measures the temperature of the refrigerant as it exits the indoor unit and flows toward the thick pipe of the external connection. Error code F10. Error in the return air sensor of the indoor unit, which measures the temperature of the air being sucked in by the indoor unit's fan to average the temperature inside the room. Error code F04. Error in the compressor discharge sensor attached to the thin pipe of the compressor located in the outdoor unit, responsible for measuring the temperature of the refrigerant gas just after it has been compressed. Error code F06. Error in the heat exchanger or coil sensor of the outdoor unit, responsible for measuring the refrigerant temperature during the phase change and calculating the refrigerant saturation pressure. Error code F08. Error in the outdoor temperature sensor, which measures the temperature of the air being sucked in by the outdoor unit's fan to average the outside air temperature. Steps to troubleshoot temperature sensor issues. 1. Turn off the air conditioner and disconnect it for several minutes. Then, turn it back on to check if the error persists. 2. Locate the sensor involved based on the error code. 3. Check the sensor's position. Make sure the sensor is properly placed and securely positioned. 4. Ensure that the sensor's connections to the electronic board are secure and that the wires are not damaged. 5. Disconnect and reconnect the sensor. Clean the connections if necessary. 6. If the error persists, turn off the unit, disconnect the sensor, and measure its electrical resistance with a multimeter set to the kilo scale. The measured value should never be 0 or infinite. When rubbing the sensor with your hand, the resistance value should decrease. 7. Compare the results with the specifications. If you have the manual, compare the measured value with the sensor's characteristic table. 8. If the error persists, visually inspect the electronic board that controls the sensor for faults. Consider replacing the electronic board involved if the problem continues.